I'm new at this. Fuck. Okay. Hi YouTube. I am starting my channel off with LARP unboxings. And it's not the LARP box, don't get excited, because I'm poor, and it's early, and it's after work, and I'm tired. I may ramble. It's fine. But I wanted to start it off with, I wanted to start my channel off with unboxing stuff because that's always exciting. But this package was already opened by my brother, and it's for a character of mine. It's a bunch of little skeleton keys, and they're super cool. There's a bunch of different kinds in here, and they're real metal. Cost me like $7, but there's a package I have that I'm the most excited about, and it's my blade. I'm poor, so I had to buy like a refurbished one, but at least it's getting some use. It's from Calmasil. It is the Viking 2. I think it's a short sword. Might be a dirk. But it doesn't seem very small. Like, hot dang. I got home from work because it was delivered after I went to work. And I saw this on my kitchen table. And I was like, yay. I was so excited. Let me get some choppers. And let's open this bad boy up. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Yeah, it was the Viking 2. It's a dork. Oh my god. Oh, I love it. What's the box? Boxes are making noises. It's freaking me out because it's like 5 a.m. Oh my god. There's little bits and cracks in it. What do I expect? It's refurbished. I mean, the thing cost me like $63. Oh, but I love it so much. I love it. I love it so much. I'm so happy. Oh, this is my first weapon too. Excuse me, today is a glorious day. I'm so happy. It is from Calmasil. It's made in Canada, if you wanted to know. Let's see, I like reading these things. I didn't know they came with like actual like packaging. I knew they came with packaging. I didn't think they came with like shit like this. There's stuff on the inside. What? Give me a moment. It's taped. Why is everything taped? Can there be a thing that is not taped? Ooh. They have it in French and English. They have a warranty. I didn't know that. Also, I did not buy this off of the website. I bought it off of Amazon because I trust Amazon more than other websites. I don't know if you can hear that, but I'm making a noise anyways. Ooh. Latex free? Are they foam? Yeah, it's a foam. I thought it was latex. I'm a little tired. I'm so happy. So excited. Oh, by the way, the reason why I'm starting to do this is because I'm gonna start buying more things and emptying my bank account a lot faster, because next year I'm going to be going. I'm going through the LARPing.org's The Voyage North, and I'm so excited. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. I'm gonna do a lot of editing. Hi. Gotta line up my shot. This is probably good enough. This head might be getting cut off. It's fine. I just woke up from a glorious slumber. And I woke up to find that my other package came. I opened it because I ordered off my brother's account. I didn't see most of what's inside, but oh boy. Heat those. I want bubble wrap. I like playing with bubble wrap. Ooh. Ooh. It's a scabbard, right? Yeah, angle scabbard. Shh. I'm trying to make a video. I got no scissors near me, so it's you can use these as scissors. Did you know that? If you are lazy and don't want to line up the shot again. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. When I love things, I tend to smush my face right up against it. Oh yeah. Blade. Will you fit? Oh, it fits like a glove. Oh, I love it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, I love it so much. I will set that off to the side and behind for the other thing that I bought. My god, let's see which one this is. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. It is the fucking dishware that I wanted. Why is it all oily? Why is it all oily? What is this garbage? Oh god. I gotta wash them or something? It's like super oily. I wonder if it's put on there just for a thing, like, to protect it or something from rust. But you can bet your sweet ass I'm gonna wash them. And I will take pictures and they will pop up on the screen at some point. My fingers are oily now. Ew. Oh, and they came with a holder. That's pretty neat. Oh, and it can attach to your belt too. Feast everywhere. Aw. That's not very well attached. I paid like $6. What do I expect? Not bad. Pretty good. It just makes me angry because it's all oily and shit. Ah. Also, you like my new backdrop? I do too. It's so pretty. I'm so happy. There will be more videos like this in the near future because I am expecting one more package, which I am concerned on why it hasn't arrived yet. Like, it should have been here with these 2 packages, but it is not. We'll see. We'll see.